Alright, guys, continue holding your buys. Continue holding your buys, guys. Continue holding your buys. Continue holding your buys. Alright, guys, sorry about that. I was fixing my mic. I had a problem with my mic, so I just had to fix it up. I think we're good now. No, hey, what you doing? Alright, guys, so I am currently holding a buy on the XRP on the daily time frame. I believe that if you want to enter, you can still also enter the trade. You can also still buy and hold the crypto itself. We are still at a good point. You are not too late to do anything. So if you feel like buying right now, or if you're trading it live right now, um, boom, boom, boom. Jesus Christ. So yeah, so that's why I'm not gonna be live a lot, guys, because my son is here. This is the problems I'm trying to avoid. So yeah, but I'm currently holding a buy in the XRP, and you can see my positions on the right side of the screen at the bottom. And. Yes, so yeah, guys, continue holding your buys. I believe that we're gonna go up for as long as possible. Also, so yeah, guys, don't worry about me right now. You can watch the charts. That's the daily time frame on the XRP, and I really believe that XRP is gonna go further than where it's at right now. A lot of people don't believe in XRP, but I surely do. I've been watching it for a couple of years, and with me watching it for a couple of years, I've seen all the price movements. I've seen it go to $0.4, $0.3, 0.6, 0.9 last year. Then it came back down last year. So I've seen all of that. I've been watching XRP for a long time. So now I'm expecting it to go to at least $5 before the end of this year. If we can get to $5 by the end of this year, I surely believe that sometime $5 by the end of this year could send XRP much more further than where we at right now. For me, my prediction is that XRP. Ah, okay. Whenza? No, I'm trading. Ngiyakhuluma, yes. I'm not trading. I'm just talking. Alright, guys, you guys can continue holding your buys on the daily time frame. But to the VIP group, I actually gave out my signal yesterday on the Telegram channel. So if you check my Telegram channel, you'll be able to see the signal that I gave out. Yes, in that one, man. So yeah, guys, you can continue holding buys in the daily time frame and see how far that's gonna take you. Your stop loss on the trade should be where I'm gonna put the red line. So I'm gonna read the coordinates for you guys. So your stop loss for the trade should be at 2.31. So if XRP goes below 2.31, no, it's boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna hit the tablet, yeah. Okay. Given, 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 share, given, given. So yeah, guys. On a daily time frame, I believe that XRP is going to be a long-term buy. Why do I also believe that XRP is going to be a long-term buy? So let's talk about this. XRP is basically a company. From my view, this is not financial advice, okay? This is my view and this is my research and everything. XRP is a company that's creating payment solutions for companies or institutions all over the world. And a lot of people are not realizing that everything that we do right now is based on technology. The way you get paid, the way everything is tracked, how you work, your time invested, anything that you do is based on technology right now. And also, banks need faster and cheaper technology, and they can't be paying high, expensive fees all the time when they are transacting all the time. So, for example, XRP makes it cheaper and makes it faster for banks to transact money. Yeah, sure, but is that? Mm. So yeah, guys. So XRP basically creates a solution for institutions. So, for example, here in South Africa, we have the app that is called PayShap. I believe personally that the app PayShap is from Ripple itself because the app runs on distributed ledger technology. And distributed ledger technology is made by Ripple, and I think David Schwartz, the creator of Ripple itself, is also involved in creating the payment solutions for countries. And I personally believe that every single country in the BRICS has already received its own solution into banks. And I believe the first solution that was integrated in South Africa in the banks is PayShap. PayShap is an app that everybody has on their banking app, whether you use Capitec, FNB, or whatever that you use, but it's an app that you have inside it. And with that app, you can transact money from me to you within like maybe 5 or 3 seconds. The money is going to be by you. The fees are very, 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 very cheap. It's unlike the immediate payments that we used to, where we actually pay 45 Rand in order to transact the money immediately to the next account. Here you can transact money to any account at any time, any day, anywhere, and it's going to be in that account in about 5 minutes or so, as long as you have internet connectivity and you put in the right coordinates of that account you're supposed to be sending to. So that is a solution that is created by the bank, or that is created. Okay, let's not say the bank. That solution is created by Ripple, and there is a standardization that all banks in the world have to follow, which is the ISO 20022 standardization. And that same standardization, they made an announcement last year or the year before that they will be integrating Ripple technology into their Swift technology. So, meaning that now Swift is also working with Ripple technology. So, all the banks in the world know about Swift technology. I may not know exactly how many banks or which banks use Swift technology, but if Swift technology is adopting DLT technology and DLT technology is from Ripple XRP, what does that mean for Ripple itself? Where does that put Ripple? On top of that, I don't know much about stable coins, but it obviously makes sense about the fact that it's just there to stabilize whatever that it's supposed to stabilize. And I believe that Ripple just launched um, its own stable coin, and the stable coin is is apparently going to replace USDT, and USDT is used all over in every single crypto exchange. Even in our crypto exchange in South Africa, in Luna, we do have USDT, and it's basically valued at a dollar, exactly how the dollar is standing. That's where USDT2 is also valued. So it's basically a way for us to convert our crypto and be able to withdraw it in dollars, you know. Also, now Ripple has launched its own stable coin that is also fixed at a dollar, exactly where the dollar is moving. That's also going to be fixed there. So making it easy for us to convert our crypto or to transact, whether we're selling or buying crypto. And with that stable coin coming in for XRP, that's going to bring in mass adoption for it. I don't know much. I'm just an investor like everybody else. I am not a financial advisor, but I am a technical trader. And my technicals right now on the daily time frame are telling me to buy. That's all they're telling me, to just buy and buy and buy and buy. And if I don't buy, I feel like I'm gonna miss out on one of the biggest opportunities in the world. And if this trade goes off right now and it goes to like $5, $6, $7, you better be afraid about where this thing can possibly go, you know? Let me go have a look. Alright, guys, I thought somebody was by my gate. So, yeah, guys, that's my view on XRP. It's high end technology that nobody can, you know, I don't know how to put this, but it's crazy and it's going to do crazy things in the world. And if people don't see it, um, a lot of people are going to be disappointed that they didn't take the decision to buy and hold XRP. I've also personally told a few people that let's buy XRP and let's hold it, and a lot of people didn't listen to me, so it's whatever. But I've been a technical trader now. I can say I've been a technical trader for a full 2 years now, because I can say the previous years I did not know exactly what I was doing. I knew what I was doing, but I didn't know exactly what I was doing at that time. So now I'm looking at Ripple, guys. I bought Ripple at $0.5. Let's say, to be honest too, I actually bought it at $0.3 because it did go to $0.38 this year. Come on, man, stop it. So it with me buying Ripple at that price, I've seen it create candles that it's never created before, XRP. So you guys can judge it and say that it's been suppressed for the past 5 to 6 years, but you also need to look at the fundamentals about what's happening with Ripple. Ripple was being sued for being a security by the SEC, the Security Exchange Commission in the United States. Obviously, that's going to suppress it. Obviously, that's going to make investors pull out. Obviously, that's going to make partnerships break and no longer work out. And maybe the partnerships are going to be put on hold too. So with Ripple going through that whole thing, we then also had Donald Trump taking over as the new president, and he announced to the crypto community that he will be removing the chairman or the chairperson of what of the SEC, the same guy who was accusing our cryptocurrency for being a security. And now with Donald Trump taking over, we know that he's already announced that Gary Gensler has already announced that he'll be leaving the will be leaving his position as chairperson of the SEC. So with Gary Gensler leaving as the chairperson of the SEC, come on, guys. Like, there's so many things that are right in front of your eyes. It's not about market cap, guys. Market cap just says what's the value of the company. There's no problem if I create a company right now and some way somehow I start posting my shit. Elon Musk finds out about my shit. Wait, like, tell me, what do you think is going to happen to me? Obviously I'm going to be worth millions, maybe billions. So a lot of people are talking about market cap, and they're saying that Ripple's market cap, if it goes to where Bitcoin is at, it doesn't make sense that Ripple could possibly go there at that time and that quickly. But this is cryptocurrency, and if you've invested in cryptocurrency before, you should have seen when Ethereum was at $20, and it jumped way up to $1,000. So I saw that move. I was in that move, but I got out at $300. I never thought that it was going to get to $1,000 at that time. It even went above $1,000, and when you convert it in South African rands, um, Ethereum went up to 72,000 rand per Ethereum per coin. So I had the money to buy even more than five, even more than 10. But because I don't know how I can put it, but maybe I was, I was just too biased to Bitcoin at that time. That's why I didn't make a lot of gains. I pulled out my money and I diverted to Bitcoin. And I also was greedy with the Bitcoin when I was struggling financially. I started to pull up my money, and yeah, that's where I started to learn price action. That's where I started to learn technical trading. So now, within the 2 years and a half of me actually learning technical trading, I don't have funds anymore. I'm trading demo every day. um yeah, it was one of the tough times that I had to go through as a trader, but it built me. It gave me the confidence to go live and show people my trades, and to actually start my own community channel on Telegram. I got all that confidence through doing that. So I'm glad that I didn't stop. So right now I'm looking at Ripple. Ripple is creating crazy price action, and I am possibly thinking that I might not even trade anything else now besides Ripple, because it's easy to trade it. I gave out a signal to my clients yesterday. I'm sure they're still in profits even right now because it was a 4 hour signal. It wasn't a 5 minute signal. It wasn't an hourly signal. It was a long term signal. So, and I don't know, guys. Like, I'm also an investor just like you. You are all the same here. There's nothing different about me. But we all need to understand that investing in crypto has a lot of returns. That's That's it's a elephant. That's it. Need to stop smoking. So yeah, guys. I'm still holding a buy on the XRP, and yes, you can still enter. If you want me to do some quick analysis for you, I can do so right now. So we can see that my first trades are right here at $2 exactly on this account. My first trades are right here at $2, and my second trades are at between 2.3 to $2.5. That's where my other trades are spaced out. Okay. So as you can see, the market has given me what we call the bullish engulfing candle in an uptrend, but the short-term trend was a what? Was a selling trend. So you can see that the market was selling slightly when it was creating the flag or the bull flag that we're about to complete with the breakout that we want. So the market was slightly moving downwards, but it was consolidating in the same zone. So we can call that a slight consolidation that was moving downwards. And in that consolidation, the previous movement was a buy. We can see the charts. I don't need to be explaining too many things. You can see that previously the movement was a buy, and then we had that slight consolidation to the side. So within that consolidation to the side, we have two signals. My software has identified two signals for buy, and I saw them in the 4 hour time frame, but this is the daily time frame. Okay, so I'm gonna put boxes on those signals so that you guys can understand what is this motherfucker talking about. Let's go. Object rectangle. So as you can see, guys, these this setup here where you see my box, I'm gonna zoom in just now to make it clear to everybody. Where I have that box, and let me put the second object shape rectangle. Alright guys, so as you can see, within that consolidation to the right hand side, the market gave us two signals. We got a bullish piercing signal, which was a change of direction candle first, then had a confirmation. Then we have a bullish engulfing candle, which was identified yesterday. And then yesterday, oh no, it was identified yesterday, and then yesterday's candle confirmed. So basically, the bullish engulfing started. What? That the bullish engulfing started on Monday. It confirmed yesterday, and right now we're going to continue the movement upwards. So where you see that second box, inside that box is where I believe that the market will not break below and it's going to continue upwards. That is my prediction with XRP, and we could be going to $3, maybe $3.5 too. Yeah. Mm-mm. Kuningia kuba live. Ngicima ke live yami, yes. So yeah, guys, that is my prediction with XRP, and let me show you. Ah, Zano, stop it! Stop touching my damn thing, please. Okay, come here, come here, come here. Nothing, thing. All right, guys. So basically, here I want to show you that there's more trades over here. That's me. So I've also put some buy stops over here. So as you can see, the more I move down that cursor, there's buy stops at $3, at $3.5. At $5, there's another buy stop. At $7, I have another buy stop. Um, So there's more buy stops at $20, $15, $13, $20. So all these buy stops, they go up until I get to $100. And you can only do this with FX Pro because the lot sizes are different. There are micro lots. It's not the big lot sizes. And the contract size too is also at 1. So if you're trading with the contract size of 1, it's always easier to space out your trades. So hence why you see that I have trades that go up to $60. As you can see, it goes up to $100, all up to $100. Once Ripple gets to $100, I will no longer be executing more trades. Instead, I'll be closing portions, I'll be closing lot sizes. So since I have about like 700 lot sizes open right now, I have 700 lots open right now. That's because the contract size at FX Pro is at 1. I know it's impossible to open 700 lots with other brokers, but if the contract size is at 1, that means that you can open as much lots you want to open. So I have 700 lots open, and when Ripple gets to above $100, I'll be closing about like 5 lots, and maybe 5 lots is going to be like $10,000, $15,000 per trade. So I don't have to close the entire trade, but I can close a portion of the trade so that I can continue holding the long-term trades. So that's why I'm not keeping my crypto on exchanges, but I'm keeping my crypto on FX Pro, and I'm also holding it on a private ledger. So guys, I'm not sure if you guys know about a private ledger. A private ledger is it's like, I don't know. It's like a hardware wallet. It's like a hardware wallet where you can store your stuff. But I will obviously won't show you where my hardware wallet is. It's in this house definitely. But I will never show anybody where it's at. Even my mom doesn't know where it's at. It's in her own house, but she doesn't know where it's at. Um, so I also store it on Xanum. So there's another private ledger app that runs on the XRP ledger, which is called Xamam. Xaman. I don't know how to pronounce it, but if you send me a personal message on Telegram, you'll be able to find it. If you want my link to talk to me on Telegram, the link is on the bio, so you don't have to worry about. Me, me, wait. No, it's YouTube, like me. So yeah, I have a link on the bio, guys. I also have a community channel. My community channel is really growing slow. Even though it's free, I don't charge anybody to join my community channel. But it's really growing slow. I only have 23 members. If you guys want me to show you my community channel and my results and how I've been performing, I can also show you guys that because I've been doing pretty quite well with my group. Let me just change the screen. Maybe you guys are gonna get a look properly. Yes, I know you naughty boy. So I want to show you guys my community channel where I give out signals and everything else. So there we go. So I've entered you guys into my community. As you can see, I've sent them this. So yesterday I gave them the signal to buy XRP. As you can see, this signal was given out at 10 o'clock in the morning. And 10 o'clock in the morning, I gave out the signal. Then I showed them that my son is disturbing me. That's why I'm kind of not giving a lot of signals these days. And these were the results. As you can see, the market took off after that. With the market taking off, we saw that movement in the XRP. As you can see, my other trades are right here at $2, and I'm still holding. So the market has went back to where it was now. That was my prediction yesterday. I also had a gold signal. So I first gave out a buy signal on the 13th of December, and that buy signal went in the right way. This is gold now. I'm showing you gold on the 13th of December. It went in the right way for a while, then it changed direction. I then gave out a signal at 11 o'clock in the morning, and then as you can see, the market dropped continuously non-stop until we got to the bottom. And as you can see, we were trading at the floor over there. Those were my trades on gold. We smashed them, and that was the signal I gave out to them to sell after we took a loss on that buy. um so yeah, whenever I give out good signals, I tend to do this, make these videos just to
Smashing gold, guys. That might be the last signal that I give out today. If you go and open the 4-hour time frame, you'll be able to see that there is a candle that I circled.
so basically when I give out a signal, I always do this, guys. Whenever I give out a signal, I always circle the signal like this so that you can know which candle am I seeing for me to give you a signal, for you to be also confident. And let me see if this thing looks properly here. I just don't know how it looks, if it looks clear enough. Oh, you guys can't see the photo over here. I can see. So let me just change that. I just want to show you guys the photo here. In the Alright. Alright, but I don't know how to show you guys this photo. But or we can also do this. You know what? Let's just do this. I think this will be much more easier. Let me go back to the charts and I'll just show you guys my phone straight, okay? I think that's gonna be much more easier, right? Oh, wait up, Zana. Hey, I'm gonna switch off the camera and then I'm gonna show you guys my phone directly. Ugh. Hey, Doc, yeah, super boys. I know you're so damn naughty. Unzan man. All right, I'm sure everybody can see my phone clearly. Um, so right now I'm going into the Telegram channel, and I just want to show you too with how I also communicate with my clients. I recently got a client from Spain, and it was also grateful for me. Like I'm also grateful for that. I mean, for me to be able to be acquiring clients in Spain. This is one of them. So let me just do this with the camera here. So this is one of my clients in Spain, and he paid using Ripple. As you can see, he paid in XRP. When he made his payments, I told him to send XRP, and he made a payment in XRP, and he joined my group. So after some time, I then asked him, how does he feel? So on the 6th of December, I asked him, I hope you're good, bro. I hope you're happy with the setups. Is there anything you need clarification on? He said, yes, you are the best, bro. It's everything clear. So I guess he's using Google Translate to talk to me because he's from Spain. So then I asked him, which country you from? I mean, not Spain. I mean, Italy, guys. I'm sorry. I mean, Italy. So then he told me he's from Italy. And then I told him I'm from South Africa, Durban. And I guess he didn't believe that I'm from Durban and I'm telling him about this. So he asked me to give him a brief explanation on how to understand or how to actually take profits or how to understand my signal group. This is my signal group or the approach on I take on every signal that I take. I always try to make 10 to 15% of my balance, take my profits, and let the other trades run, and I move my stop loss to my entry point. That is what I always do all the time, and it tends to work out for me. So I showed him that. So now I want to take you guys into my channel. Here's my channel here. So this is the live that we're currently in right now on YouTube. So if you go back up, let's just go to the 1st of December. Maybe there's a signal there, I don't know. But I've been trading the bigger time frames since it's December. I don't want to be involved in the noise. So as you can see, 2nd of December, I started with a buy. This is how I usually circle the signals. Um, this is just to give them confidence to know that which point am I seeing. I'm showing them that the candle had a big shadow. Here's the change of direction. I'm showing them everything so that they can be confident. For example, on the 3rd of December, I started off with the signal buy gold stop line 26.63. I mean 0.36. So basically, most of the time, I don't like to put stop losses on my trade. Instead, I usually put stop lines. So with me putting stop lines all the time, it makes it much more easier for me to know that the market is going to hunt my stop loss, but it's not going to take out my trade because the market will always hunt your stop loss. The market is always going to come back to your stop loss. And so when the market comes back to your stop loss, oh shit, I'm not showing my face here. So, oh my god, now I need to reconnect this shit. Hey, hambak baba, hambal, hambak baba, nang baba, nang baba mta, hambal. Sorry about that, guys. My brother just got home from Joburg, so I think that's it. Let me just have a check. So, baba, huh? Sorry about that. So yeah, so we took a loss in that trade eventually, as you can see, we took a loss, and I then gave out a signal to buy German 40 at about 4 o'clock in the morning. So when I gave out that signal in the morning, it was a buy, and I guess it didn't work out. You check. I told him to close that trade, and then I immediately told him to close and to go in for sells. So when we took those sells, we did take it, and we made a little bit of profits. Then here's another signal how I usually circle it, like this. So that is what you call a bullish engulfing candle in a slight downtrend, which could be showing us that the market is losing momentum to the downside. So you usually put a line at the bottom of the buying candle and you put a line at the top of that candle. As you can see, there's a red line at the top of that buying candle where I circled that. There's that red line over there, and that's how I give out the signal. There's one, two signals. Then I told him, let's wait, okay, after we've punched in the signal. And then after some time, we did take off, as you can see. And then this is the movements we had on the German 40 on the 1 hour time frame. So with me circling that candle is because I'm just trying to give you confidence to understand that we are taking a long-term trade. So if the market goes back to your stop loss, you mustn't be shocked by the fact that the market is going back to your stop loss, but actually understand that that is just market, that basic market movement. The market always has to go and test the stop loss or the support line that gives us support to continue going upwards. So yeah, that was the day before. So then that December 4, I told him to close yesterday's profits, and I gave out another signal on the 4 hour time frame to buy German 40. The stop line was at 200.32, and then that signal immediately shot up. As you can see, it was a 4 hour signal. As you can see, there's a black line over there. There's that black line I'm talking about. Do you see? There's a black line at the bottom of that bullish candle. Why? Because we can see that we had that first bullish candle that's bigger than the previous one, showing us momentum for buyers. Then this one here, in order for us to be convinced that the market is going to go down, it needs to break below this red line here. So this red line here, I put it here because the body of this candle here is bigger than the previous candle that was selling, showing us that there's more momentum to the upside than in the downside. So I will still continue holding buys. So that's why you see a dotted line over here and you see an entry point for buy there. I continued holding, and then we had this second signal here, this bullish one here, the one that I circled, and it became the signal. Can you see? So when we started the second day on the 4th of December, this is the signal that I circled. But the first signal came out on this candle here. This specific candle here. What the hell is going on? So with this specific candle here was the signal. So that's why you see me putting a red line there. I put that red line as my stop loss, but I don't put the stop loss. Instead, I just make it my red line to know that if the market breaks below there, then I know that I'm taking a loss. So if I'm taking a trade, my entry point is always going to be 1 minute before the candle closes. So as we can see, the time is now 2:03. So it's 3 minutes past 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So if I was to take this trade now here, I would have entered at 1 o'clock 59. 1 o'clock 59. So that my trades can be right there at the close of that candle. If you zoom in properly, you can see I have about 3 or 4 trades at that entry point over there, because I'm entering at the last couple of seconds of that hour, because I've already identified the type of candle that's been created within the whole hour or within the whole 4 hour time frame. So that is how you trade price action. I may not be explaining it clearly because I'm not giving a course here. I am not giving you guys education. I'm just showing you guys how I communicate with my VIP group. And yeah, this is them. One of my clients, S. Maflang, was saying, Donkey King must be close or hold. I said, close quarter of your profits and hold, and hold. It's a 4 hour signal. And then, yeah, we continued going up, as you can see. And I showed them that I buy a lot of XRP. And here's another signal that I gave out to them. I think this was the 5th. Let's check. Yeah, 5th of December, I gave her another signal. I saw a setup for buy on the 4 hour time frame. I always circle it like that. I've always been in signal groups too, guys, and I know what it's like to be in a signal group where they don't actually communicate with you properly and they don't show you the exact signal that you want to see. I know how frustrating that can be sometimes, but it happens. and there's nothing that we can do about that when it happens, you know. So let's just do this. Alright, guys, sorry about that. That's my brother. He wanted a cigarette. Uh, let's close the other camera. There's no need for it. It's a fucked up camera. It makes me look like an old body. Video capture device. Okay, so that is why I am still holding XRP and I'm saying that XRP is going up. So a lot of people are stubborn, guys. All of us saw Bitcoin, what it did before it went up. So as you can see, this box here is exactly what I was showing you. You see that thing when I circle the candle in the VIP group? This is the box. That same box that you see right now. Oh, my FX Pro logo. Yes, Baba. So that same box that you see in between those two buying candles is the reason why I am buying, why I'm still expecting the market to go up much more. And that's the daily time frame. That's not the 4 hour time frame. That's not the 1 hour time frame. That's the daily time frame. And bear in mind, Ripple XRP is the only crypto that is regulated in the world. The only crypto that had SEC behind them, accusing them to be a security. That same chairman who was accusing them has lost his position, even posted on Twitter that he will be resigning as the chairman of the SEC. I am sure that Donald Trump is going to bring somebody who's in favor of crypto because Donald Trump is in favor of crypto. Donald Trump has been meeting with someone who is in favor of crypto too, which is Elon Musk. I may not know much about Donald Trump and Elon Musk, but I know that whatever happens in the USA is going to have a major impact in all the other countries in the world. So, Ripple XRP is from the USA. So, if you're also from the USA and you've made your capital gains from XRP, there's no need for you to actually pay tax in the USA if you live in the USA because Donald Trump just put that out there. There's no need for you to pay tax on on XRP if you're making gains on it. So yeah, guys, I'm trading. I have a community channel. If you want to join it, you can join it. I'm closing this live now because I don't want to be giving signals here. I'm only going to come back to this live when XRP hits $3 because I've been live for the past 2 weeks. And guys, please help me grow my channel. Not many people join, not many people watch. I give this for free, I don't charge. I give out free education to my group. Just that I haven't started yet, but I'm planning it. Um, yeah, I the only thing I trade is price action. Price action. There's nothing special. I look at the candle. I calculate my loss. If I take a loss, then I take a loss. There's nothing wrong with that. So yeah, guys, please join my community. Click the link on my bio on YouTube, not on the video. The link on my video is gonna take you to FX Pro. If you want to trade XRP, you can trade it at FX Pro. But you can also click the link on my bio to see all my services. If you want to send me a personal message on Telegram, if you want to join my Telegram channel, whatever you want to do. Yeah, and I'm so sunburnt, guys. I feel dark. So yeah, guys, have a good one. Thank you so much for watching. This is the first time I'm actually closing my live video with more than 2 people watching. More than 2 people watching. So yeah, guys, thank you so much, and yeah, take care. Look at XRP on the daily time frame. It's about to take off. If you're scared to trade it, go buy it and hold it. Finish. And close your mouth. Do not tell anybody that you're buying crypto. They're gonna try and make you fall off it. So yeah, guys, take care. Buy XRP. I'm telling you now, buy damn XRP. I showed you my trades, I showed you my positions. I'm not gonna open my positions again because I have more accounts that I don't want to share. I don't trust people. When I was at the bank last time, I just got my card today, my Absa card. Somebody tried to hack in my bank because I logged into my banking account. This is a new card. I just got this new card today. I logged into my banking account with my laptop. So I don't know if that person used my IP address or whatever they used to get in contact with my computer, but they hacked it. So I had to add a new antivirus on this shit. Bye guys. Bye XRP. Please also subscribe to my channel. I'll appreciate that. Please guys.